What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I retwist my hair like this and get this nice laid look. So yeah, that's what we doing. So let's get into the video. That I will be using today is, well, to start out, to moisturize my hair, I'm going to use this olive oil moisture. I feel like I showed this stuff in my video where I think I did like a hairstyle on my channel, and I also showed you guys these products. I'm gonna grease my scalp with this. This is what I'm gonna do before I actually retwist my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair right now. Sorry if I just jumped into the video, but I'm trying to get this out the way because I got stuff to do and it's my birthday. I'm gonna just go ahead and grease my scalp. So, I got a lot of new growth. My hair got so long. I'm gonna do a hair journey. Like my locks are about to be 3 years, I believe. I don't know, I'm mistaken. My locks are about to be 3 years. And my hair came a long way, and I'm so surprised by the growth of my hair over 2 years because my locks were so small when I first started, and I was like I did not like it. Like what they call it, the ugly stage. I did not like it. Like I was just like, no. And I always would wear like freaking hair tie thingies, or like, oh, what's the scarf hairstyle where you put the bun in the front, or like you put the bun in the back or something. I always used to do that because I hated the way my locks were because they were so small, and I was like, no. But honestly, you just gotta trust the process. It's like life, especially when you have locks. When I have locks, I think about life. Like it's relatable to life. Like you gotta have patience, and you just gotta trust the process. Like at the beginning of things, everything won't be perfect when you're first starting off, and that's just in life. Like nothing comes to you in a quick, fast hurry like you want it to. You just gotta have patience. You just know growth and progress. That's my little motivational. You just started your locks and they are so short, baby. Embrace it. Embrace it. Because your locks are going to get long and you just gonna love them. So just love every single moment of it. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. I let it dry and everything, and this is the finished results. That is how my hair came out. It came out really nice and everything. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you comment down below. Yeah, all that good stuff. Just show your girl some love, that's all. But much love, much peace, stay blessed.